Oh.
I don't know. Come on.
I think we can get it. Come on, let's
Come on.
Look, right here.
Oh my God.
All right, guys, we're very excited to have you here with us today, and we have today a very special video. Paint roller wheels, yay. These have only been in the Braille warehouse for 7 years. We keep thinking, you know, we're gonna do this, and then we're like, where would we do this? It's gonna create the biggest mess in the whole world.
Dude, I am so proud of him.
I told you he has hops, dude. That's amazing.
He does have hops. We put bearings in these?
Yep.
Look at how sick this is.
Isn't that amazing?
Hi, Braille. Did you know that Jackson Pollock's painting number 17A sold for $200 million? Well, thanks to these paint roller wheels, you're just one board setup away from creating priceless works of art yourself. Not sure how well they'll roll, but get some paint on them and they should roll just fine. I don't have an Insta or anything, but if you could shout out to Emily in Ireland for her birthday. Emily in Ireland for your birthday. You are the best. Happy birthday! Thanks for all your videos. They really helped me get into skating. Now, if only all this Chicago snow would melt. Good luck with the wheels. Becca F. And look at that painting.
I studied that painting in my art class.
So I think that we make the mini ramp into that.
Really?
That was the original idea.
Oh.
But the other original idea was that we play a game of skate outside with these wheels.
Okay, well, what we'll have to do is just follow through after and actually just paint the whole mini ramp blue. Would you be okay with that?
What's a good boy? You got the hops. Yeah. What's a good
boy? This is his first
Could
intro,
you jump right up in there?
This is his first main Braille intro.
Where are the bearings at? Don't we have some bearings? Wait, should we like sweep the mini ramp?
No,
There's dirt all over the mini ramp.
there's dirt all over outside.
Well, we were gonna put like a tarp down.
We have a giant roll of paper, but we also have a giant mini ramp that we could just paint blue.
It might work, dude. It might work. I say we just do it. A wumba wa, a wumba wa, a wumba wa, a wumba wa. A wee, the wimba wa, a wimba wa, a wimba wa. I think just one thing of paint will do it. Oh! Wow, these actually really work really well. How to skate and be quiet when your mom's trying to sleep. What are you doing, Gabe? Ew, look at that paint. If you've ever gone camping with Gabe, he has every sort of wipe and snack there is, and he's saying this about preparation now.
This is the most satisfying thing ever, Dan.
Oh man, that's beyond heavy. Can somebody with like severe muscles lift that up there?
We should just paint our entire floor.
This is how bad ideas turn worse. Before we do this, wait.
Oh, those are sick, dude.
Super sick, I know.
Yeah, those are amazing.
Wait, before we do this, I just want to test this. Fetty, test it.
No, you got it.
You can test it. I did the
got it,
glass
dude.
skateboard.
Hey, my car is swaying.
Here we go, Aaron. Oh, those are fantastic.
It's gonna work.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if it's gonna work well, but it'll work. Oh wow.
How is it? Slow, fast? Oh, it's slippery.
Wow.
That's hard. Yeah, a lot of
Haha!
I don't know if I'm excited about this or nervous
Seems
or
potentially
like,
dangerous.
yeah, there's a lot of stuff that could go very wrong and very right. I'll do some flat ground tricks. Oh man, am I nervous about this?
Yes.
Can we wash the paint off the ramp?
Nope.
Is this gonna ruin our ramp? Can somebody get like a picture of the ramp that's like before?
Oh man, look at that.
For these wheels.
That is beautiful.
Can we get that big paper to put right here?
Yes, good idea. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, boy.
Here, go ahead and
Wait, put your foot on there so I can roll it out.
Forbid we get any paint on the ground, right?
Oh, that's so legit, dude.
Just a darn wee bit on the paper. It's all big, no big deal, mate. We should have put the thing up, because if we drop in and it slides out and it falls, there's gonna be just tons of paint over here.
Just don't slip out. Stay at the 4-foot side.
You want me to inaugurate it?
Yes, I do.
Great. Watch your shoes, Gabe. Oh, I'm so nervous.
Oh man.
Oh no.
Oh man.
It ruined our ramp. Wait, once it gets smushed down though, we're gonna be golden.
Hold on.
Wait, pick a different spot.
I'm trying to spell your name. I was gonna try to.
So we're safe. We
So
can just
we're all
wipe
good.
it off. Daniel!
Dang it.
What?
Are you okay? That was worse than the glass skateboard. Oh my gosh. Let me see your back. You slid.
No, Carlos keeps doing it after people have already dropped in on it.
Ow. Oh, I'm back to being human. God. This is more torture than anything.
It's painting nicely though.
Dude, the mini ramp is
Yeah.
it's pretty, dude.
Yeah.
Let's get Carlos a fresh coat.
It's almost summertime. I'm actually burning up right now.
Damage report.
Uh-oh.
I don't know what it means, but that thing is like
Oh, no.
popping out. How's that game?
That's amazing.
Fresh coat for you, young Voyager.
Skate mental.
Full send.
No, it's not. This is one time. Don't full send. Finesse.
Wow.
Actually, it looks really cool. This is modern art. We've done it. Don't we have white paint too? There's some white in here. Wheel bite.
Leave in comments below what you think Nigel would say in this moment right now if he was here.
Yeah. Oh, look at you.
I wanted to get a cross flow. Look.
Rowan is right though. We skate this for a few hours with these paint wheels, sell it to SF MoMA for like $5 trillion.
Let's go, hashtag notification squad. Leave it in the comments below how much you think we can get for this work of art.
Like overall, we should actually paint it white overall, dude. Just put a white primer over it after this.
Oh no.
What was that?
Oh, Fetty. Wow.
All right, so Carlos says this is going to be way more slippery.
Yeah. That looks so rad though.
I need to go that way.
Wow.
It's not really that much more slippery.
Oh, now we're talking.
I think we're gonna add some white into this blue. Oh no, Gabe, it's on my pants! Oh, man down, man down! Oh, dang it.
I think we should just pour a line of primer down the middle.
What? No,
Okay,
you
through it.
crazy? No. Damage report. Yeah, it's gone. He almost died. Look,
Those are sick, dude.
they were sick. This went from good to worse.
What do you mean? This went from good to fantastic. Wow.
You got paint on your camera.
Oh, that's such a good idea. It's so cute. I kind of like it. It looks nice.
It definitely doesn't look nice.
Dump in the middle and skate through it.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. There we go.
Except for my logo, yeah.
Oh, yep.
In the Braille house. Here we go.
Well, we're already in too deep. Might as well keep going.
That's what we do with every video.
Skate or die.
Wait, we need the white too. Oh. We just made a freaking mini ramp toaster strudel. After seeing this, the mini ramp painted white would look really good.
I'm so scared.
Look at the art. It is so beautiful. Get in the chopper.
You remember those wall symbols that we used to see? Draw one.
The hieroglyphic.
Just draw what you see. It's an art piece, you idiots.
Whoa! Near death.
What are you doing?
It'll grip.
No! I didn't want to get painted. Oh, you got them on the wall. Did you see that ultra instinct? Oh my god! I dodged it.
I did not. I was too busy falling down.
Hey, we're spreading
How
shred.
you doing?
We're spreading the shred.
We are celebrating today Spread the Shred, your board company. We just wanted to show you what we're doing in commemoration of Spread the Shred. You ready?
Wait, what are we doing?
We're commemorating Spread the Shred. Oh my god! Are you ready?
What is that?
It's paint wheels.
You painted the... It's paint.
Yeah. Now we're on to this. Oh, there you go, Betty. Picasso. Picasso. Wow.
Genius. I need more of the blue for that side.
Fetty is a true artist. Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, go to brailleskateboarding.com and get your rank and get on the map of the world.